Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Reading and writing Excel files in Python can be done using the openpyxl library. This library allows you to interact with Excel files and perform various operations such as reading data from existing Excel files, creating new Excel files, and modifying existing Excel files. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to read and write Excel files in Python using openpyxl. Step 1, install openpyxl. If you haven't installed the openpyxl library yet, you can install it using pip. Step 2, reading Excel file. To read data from an existing Excel file, you can use the following code snippet. Step 3, writing to Excel file. To create a new Excel file and write data into it, you can use the following code snippet. Code explanation. We first import the openpyxl library. To read from an existing Excel file, we load the workbook using openpyxl.load_workbook method and select the active sheet. We can access cell values using sheet indexing or iterate through rows using iter_rows. To write to a new Excel file, we create a new workbook using openpyxl.workbook, and select the active sheet. We can write data to a cell using sheet indexing and save the workbook using save method. By following these steps, you can easily read and write Excel files in Python using the openpyxl library.